Chris here wants to know, are there cameras in Mobile to help stop red light runs?
No, there's not cameras in Mobile. For years and years, we've tried to get the state legislature to allow us to do traffic enforcement with cameras for red light running, and the legislature would never, ever pass a law that would allow us to do that. And that's been ongoing for, I know, at least well over 20 years, going back when I was police chief in Mobile. We tried to get the legislature to pass that. Some cities do it. It's very effective. I just don't understand why many members of the public are opposed to it, because it's, you know, the evidence is clear. You either run the red light or you don't. Just like you're either speeding or you're not. But some people believe that's Big Brother, just are opposed to it, and our legislators will not support legislation.
And talking technology here, would you discuss maybe some of the technology that the sheriff's office uses? I know some neighborhoods in Mobile, they've embraced license plate readers, and the council, the city's funded license plate readers for some neighborhoods. Police say it's been very helpful. Does the sheriff's office use license plate readers to help track down the bad guys?
We do use that technology. We also have some facial recognition technology, and we're partnered with the city of Mobile, with the Gulf Coast Technology Center. Us and several law enforcement agencies are partnered with the city of Mobile, and so if a neighborhood in the county wants to install a camera system, that we will direct them to give that feed to the city of Mobile, because they run the overall system, but we're tapped into it and benefit from it as well. And so if your neighborhood wants to do that, contact the Mobile Police Department. They will make sure that before you buy the camera, that at least lets you know what style or resolution camera that you need to at least minimally qualify to where they get a good resolution. But we're just doing, technology is advancing this day and time faster than any time in my entire long career of law enforcement. It's truly a revolution with technology. And unfortunately, there are people that support us in that. There are some people that are against us, and it runs the gamut of the libertarians are against it, and the extreme liberals are against law enforcement and doing some of those things. But it truly saves lives and solves crimes.
Yeah, and there's actually some legislation around, you mentioned facial recognition technology. The lawmakers right now are looking to legislate some of that, where mistakes have been made in other states, other departments, where that's the only piece of evidence that they go on to get the warrant to arrest someone. They're considering a law that you'd have to have other evidence before you could just go arrest someone off a facial recognition hit. Is that something that you would support?
Well, certainly I support that, and I think that's where the law is now. I think it's misunderstood. Facial recognition, just like fingerprints, will lead you to a suspect, but you have to independently verify that that individual is again the actual suspect through either eyewitness identification or through other things, or even through fingerprints. You've got to meet the minimum standards. And so, again, facial recognition is not 100% accurate, but it certainly will lead you to individuals that you can further investigate and determine whether or not they're the suspect. Just like, you know, the biggest change right now is genetic DNA. We're able to, that's evolving right now at a tremendous pace, and eventually we're going to have what's known as touch DNA to be able to solve crimes.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting what's taking place. Sheriff, thank you so much for your time tonight and answering people's questions. We always appreciate you coming on. If you have any additional questions for Mobile County Sheriff Sam Cochran, you can reach him at 251-574-2423, or you can always go online to mobileso.com. Sheriff, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.